Can you hear me, Gustan?
This is my yes, I'm hearing you. This is my third month.
So this is your third month. And within these 3 months now, what would you say your experience has been like within the past 3 months you've been with us? What was your level of experience in trading and how far do you think you've come in trading?
Yeah, to be honest with you, anyway, um, ever since I started your mentorship, my trading skill really changed. You know, building confidence in the market. Most times, let me say 2, 3 months ago, when I was not uh, when I was not in this mentorship, I always find it very difficult to even identify market structure. That alone was That alone was a very difficult thing for me to do. I could not know where the market was going. I did not know. I was just buying and selling, and I get wiped out every single time. But when I
Yeah.
met you, I now understand what market structure is, and no matter how, for example, gold now that is crashing, no matter how gold is crashing, it's none of my business. Just wait because I know the market structure is to the upside. So that alone, that thing alone, that market structure alone has really changed everything in my trading career. So most time when I go to a particular pair, I'll go back to the 12-month time frame to check, oh, is this pay a bullish pay or a bearish pay? When once I can identify the market structure, boom, I'm good to go. I now know, okay, this market is bullish. So anything I'm doing, maybe looking for my favorite app, Fibonacci, I know it. I'm looking at it to be bullish, not bearish. I'm not trying to sell it. So being with you has been a good and wonderful experience. And trust me, I've really learned a lot. And my trading career has changed. Yes, it has changed automatically.
Awesome. So would you say, is there any specific thing you would want me to add to this program? Any specific thing you have in mind you would like me to add to it?
Mm. But, ever since we met, we've been the section, everything has been told. So I think we should just continue like this. Okay, we have new members who are going to register and stuff. You've been a great mentor, so I don't have anything to add to it or subtract. Everything is perfect.
All right. All right. Perfect. All right. Thank you for all that. It's amazing. And I'll say you've really, really grown so much since we started this program. It's been phenomenal. And one thing I enjoy seeing most in all the traders I've mentored is their improvements. And one thing you have that you don't even realize that it's a superpower is patience. And if you can withstand the temptation to jump in, jump out, and be a patient person and disciplined, I can promise you, you will be a force to reckon with in this market. Like you will be a huge force. One thing most traders fail in is patience. Most traders are not patient. They just want to start this today and they just want to start cashing out next week. It doesn't work
Exactly.
that way. You're going to have to go through the learning phase. It's just like, take for instance, you when you started a nursery, you went to primary, you went to secondary, and then you went to uni. And after that, now you're looking to get a job. Look at how many years it took you before you got to the end point of looking for a job to get a payout. But most people start trading and they want to get a payout in the next day. And they're wondering why it's not working for them because they're not patient. Patience is your superpower, your greatest superpower in this market. And you already have that. And that is going to be one of your greatest assets. The only thing you need to do is execute using your strategy. Sometimes it's not going to work. If you guys can recall, whenever I talk about key levels to buy from, I tell you things like 50% of the time price will come here, 60% of the time, 70% of the time. Why have I never used 100%? Because there isn't 100%.
That's all.
There isn't 100% in the market. That is why you have to use risk management so that when you're wrong, you don't blow your account.
Mhm.
When you're wrong, you
Yes,
take a loss. The next day you come back, you look for what happened, what made the market go against you, and you look for opportunity. If you see an opportunity, you take the trade. If you don't, you stand on the sidelines.
great. Thank you, sir. Thank you for that. The word of encouragement. I really appreciate
Yeah, no worries. So Jan, we've actually known, I actually knew Jan before I met you last time, but it's funny how you started your program before Jan, but due to some certain circumstances, that is why you started before Jan. And so far, how long have you been with us now, Jan?
I think maybe 1 month and a half, but if it's how long I have known you maybe for 6, 7 months, but how
Yeah,
long I have been um in your formation is 1 month and a half, I think.
yeah. It's 1 month. Yes. So within this 1 month you've been with us now, what would you say the program has been like within this 1 month you've been with us? From your past experiences, the past things you knew in trading, in investing, what would you say has been the difference or improvements that you've noticed?
Mm. One thing is, like Ghost Time said, market structure. So simple as that, I know where the market is going now. So this helped me a lot. And one of the thing is the fact that I'm seeing you every day and I'm practicing on my side also make me gain some confidence over the chart. Like during all this week, I was I put I think 1 or 2 trades on the gold. Okay, on the account that I told you I left it for some time, and it
Yeah,
plays out. Not that much money, but it plays out. And also uh the US 30 also as well. I placed the trade on that and it plays out. And like I said, I gained some confidence, a little bit of confidence. And the thing is, I need to practice more because the trade you talk about yesterday on the live chat also, I was
yeah,
analyzing it and I saw that everything is aligning with our analysis correctly. So why it did not place out, I tried to figure it out, but I don't know. That's why we wanted to review it with you. But I
yeah,
gained many experience with you actually, and I think
yeah,
I need to practice more and more and more. And the thing is, when you practice on real, like on real, on live, or I don't know. In my case, it helped me figure out what I need to improve on again. Like I know that some of my entries is not accurate, and I know also that I my risk reward, I need to review my risk reward. And sometimes even though you think that you are now a good trader, you are now patient, sometimes you kind of like want to want the trade to play well on your favor quickly, you know. So I need to work a bit on that, but I like this so far, and yeah.
yeah,
it. Yeah, sir, please don't be angry. Can I say something before I forget?
yeah.
Yeah, please. I want to say it to Yan. Am I permitted?
You want to say what? Sorry.
Yeah, I want to tell Yan something. There's something you
Yeah,
said.
yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
want
You
to.
can. Yeah, yeah,
You know that point where Yan, you know that point where you're trying to see the market doing that thing you just said. That's the time you should avoid it because it's going to swallow you and wipe you out. So you that's the confidence they're talking about. Let me tell you, it's been more than 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I've not really always just be on the chat and just be seeing what is happening. I'm not trading because one, Mr. Henry said that. during this festive period, a lot of traders are out for holidays and all those stuff. So there's no volume. I mean, I'm staying away because there's a lot of manipulation in the marketplace. That's why I'm staying away from the market. I'm just doing basically learning. So when you see that trying to tempt you, you don't jump in because if you jump in, they will swallow you. So that is it. Just build the confidence. And
True.
good. There's money there. There's opportunity every day. But you just wait for that one to come. And when it comes, let it just be, that's be a good time for you to jump in. And if you jump in that time and it doesn't work, you just know, oh, that didn't work for you.